In this video, I'll show you how to update your Sharp TV. There are three different types of Sharp TVs. Some of them have the Android software, some of them have the Roku, and some of them don't have any of these. So I'll show you how to do it for each of these. Okay, let's start with the Android Sharp TV. On the screen, on the top right corner, you should see the settings icon, the small wheel. Tap on it, and then a menu will open on the right side. Go down where it says About, select it, and then you should see System Software Update. Should be one of the first options. Select it. This way you'll be able to search for an update and do the update. If you have a Roku Sharp TV, you need to go on the left there and go on the settings. Tap OK. Then on this menu you need to go all the way down where it says System. Once you're on it, tap OK again, and finally go down where it says System Update in this specific menu, and tap OK again. Then you need to tap on Check Now. It will search, it will find an update if there is one. And what's left to do? Well, it's just to press on Update Now, press OK, and it will just take a few minutes and you'll be done. Now, if your Sharp TV is none of these models, what you can do is to press the menu button on the remote control. You'll have a menu opening up on the bottom of the screen. Then you need to go on the right side where it says Settings. Then you should see Setup, select it. And then finally you should be able to see Software Update Net. Obviously you need to be connected to the internet to do this, so yeah, it will search for an update and then you can install it. If you're still having problems with your Sharp TV even after updating it, I suggest that you unplug it from the wall, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back. This is solving many issues. If this video was helpful, please check the links in the description, leave a like, a comment. This is very helpful, and I will see you in the next one.